Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Myself Bhumika and I am doing my first year BE in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering in Cyber Security and I am from Galpin section. So here is the part 2 video on a topic in Python called as classes and objects. So let's begin with the presentation. As you all know, at the first part, I discussed about classes and I also informed that I'll be doing a next video on objects. So here is the presentation on objects in Python programming. So let's explore the information on this topic. So at first, let me give introduction to objects in Python. Objects are the essential building blocks of Python programs. In Python, everything is an object, from simple data types to complex structures. Objects have attributes and behaviors that define their characteristics and actions. So, when we start talking about objects, the first question that arises in our mind is how does this object plays a role in Python programming? So, for the question, here we have the answer. An object is an instance of a class which is a blueprint or template for creating objects. Objects have state, behavior, and identity. State represents the values of an object's attributes. Behavior defines what an object can do, and identity distinguishes one object from another. Creating objects in Python. Objects in Python are created using the class keyword followed by the class name. The code underscore init underscore method is used to initialize the attributes of an object. Once an object is created, it can be used to access its attributes and call its methods. So now let's discuss about the attributes of objects. Attributes are variables that hold data associated with an object. Instance attributes are specific to each object and can be accessed using the dot notation. Class attributes are shared by all objects of a class and are accessed using the class name. So the next one is methods of objects. Methods are functions defined within a class that perform actions on objects. Instance methods operates on specific objects and can access and modify their attributes. Class methods are shared by all objects of a class and can access and modify class attributes. So now let's discuss about inheritance and objects. Inheritance is a powerful feature in object-oriented programming that allows classes to inherit attributes and methods from other classes. A class that inherits from another class is called a subclass or derived class. The subclass can add additional attributes and methods or override the ones inherited from the superclass. So now let's know about polymorphism and objects. Polymorphism allows objects of different classes to be treated as objects of a common superclass. It enables the use of a single interface to represent different types of objects. Polymorphism is achieved through method overriding and method overloading. So now let's know the best practices for using objects in Python. Use meaningful class and method names to improve code readability. Follow the principles of encapsulation, keeping data and methods within their respective classes. Utilize inheritance and polymorphism to promote code reuse and maintainability. Here are the examples of objects in Python. Examples of objects in Python include lists, strings, dictionaries, and even functions. Each of these objects has its own set of attributes and methods that define its behavior. By understanding objects, you can leverage the power of Python's built-in objects and can create your own custom objects. So now, at last, we come to the conclusion of objects. Objects are the fundamental building blocks of Python programming. They encapsulate data and behavior, promoting code organization and reusability. Understanding object allows you to leverage the power of object-oriented programming and create efficient and scalable Python programming. So that's all for today's presentation. Thanks for watching. I hope this video was also informative as part 1. So please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for further videos. Thank you.